My name is Umair and welcome to Umair's workshop. Today I am unboxing and reviewing a product which I bought from China. It is a 24 volt fogger mist maker, humidifier, whatever you can call. So it works on 24 volt DC. It's shaped like this. It doesn't have LEDs. Some of them have LEDs, ultrasonic like that. So it is an ultrasonic humidifier. It works very well, but it has some problems that you cannot make it work for a long time, or it will stop working. So it needs some time to rest, like after 2 minutes you have to make it stop for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Anyway, let's go and check it out. So I'm using this adapter. It is 24 volt, 2.5 ampere. 3 ampere is recommended, but I have 2.5. Let's put it up into the 20 volt. Alright, I have this glass of water. It's half full, and let's see if it is gonna work in it well. It also have a situation that it should be to this point. At this point it will make humidity, but if it goes over there or lower than that, it will not gonna make any kind of humidity, less than that. So let's plug in it, power on, and just simply put it inside of that. So as soon as I have put it, as you can see, it is making a lot of good throw of humidity right now. As you can see, I haven't make it, and here it's not making any kind of humidity right now. See, as soon as you put it inside, it's making a lot of humidity. So let's check it out how it's working. It should be straight. It's going tilting, but it's okay, because if I'm going to put it like that, it is throwing a water as well, which is not good as. So let me close the fan and see how much good this makes. See, it is a very good ultrasonic humidity right there. Let me blow it. It's a very thick kind of humidity. It's not going upside. See, it is being made and stay there right there. It's a very thick humidity. You have some kind of fan or something like to take it out. See, it's getting very heavy. So in my view, it is a very good humidifier. If you are going to use it in your, let me put on the fan again, see how it is going to work. So it's a very good product if you are going to use it in your room, in your incubator, brooder. No, sorry, don't use it in brooder. So you can use it in your incubator, room, cabin, cars, wherever you want it. It is a very good throw. It may be coming in both of the product in $10, and only this product is gonna come in like $5 to $6. See, if I'm going to put it right there, it needs a exact mention where it's going to make it. So here it is. So if you really like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you like incubator kind of video, poultry type of videos, you can check out in my channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.